Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 1040. We're opening two boxes of Panini Select 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended July 28th at 7:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 10:35 a.m. Wednesday, July 29th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. The first box, the number is 190, 849, 134. The second box number is 190, 852, 957. We've got 6 cards per pack, 12 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, Panini Select 13-14. We've got 2 mini box and 1 empty box. I'd like to mention that we got 7 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. We have another Panini Select identical to this one ending at 8 p.m. We've got 1 empty mini box. 2, 4, 6. And a second empty mini box. 2, 4, 6. First pack. Over 2 box break. Base. Rookie Jason Akeson for Flyers. Jack Campbell for Stars. Rookie autographed out of 99. Just here. No. That's better. Okay. Patrick Hornqvist for Predators, Prisma Parallel. Sorry. Base. Select Freezers, Henrik Lundqvist for Rangers. Rookie Daniel Bang for Predators. Mike Connolly for Colorado. My signature card, Youth Explosion. Fire on Ice, Patrice Bergeron for Boston. And Curtis Glencross for Calgary, Prisma Parallel. Rookie Matthew Conan for Flyers. We've got, oh wow, this is nice, Matt Irwin for Sharks. We got a rookie auto patch out of 50. Nice hit for Sharks. Sergei Bobrovsky, that's a gold for Columbus. Prism. Parallel out of 10. 2 of 10. For Columbus. Jordan Stahl for Hurricanes. Prism parallel. Select Future, Mika Zibanejad for Senators. And rookie Carter Banks for Calgary. Quentin Howden for Panthers out of 199, rookie signature card. Then we're down to our last pack of our first box. Rookie Jonathan Huberdeau for Panthers, Fire on Ice version. And Chad Bruzel for Sabres, rookie Prism version. And that's our first box. Okay, let's clean up here. Second box. As I was saying earlier, tonight we've got a 4-box Titanium 1112. We have another select identical to this one. 4-box limited. We've got a 2-box 1415 artifact. And 16 boxes ending tonight. Oops. Plastic out first. Mini boxes. There we go. First mini box is empty. 2, 4, 6. Second mini box is also empty. 2, 4, 6. Okay. First pack, second box. Rookie, John Musi for Hurricanes. Christopher Nilstorp for Dallas out of 199, rookie auto jersey. Eric Goodbranson for Panthers, Prisma parallel. Select freezers of John Wietstensbrook, also for Panthers. Rookie select future Mikael Granlund from Minnesota. And a rookie Steve Oleksy for Caps. Anders Lee for Islanders, rookie signature card, Youth Explosion. Beautiful, beautiful card. Love the design. Fire on Ice, Gabriel Landeskog for Colorado, and Devan Dubnyk for Oilers, Prism parallel. Let's do a second pile here before it crumbles down. Alex Ovechkin for Caps, the cornerstone parallel. Rookie Daniel Bang for Predators. Oh wow, wow, let me get a sleeve for this right away. We've got a rookie auto jersey, Nathan MacKinnon, Colorado. Beautiful, beautiful. Card is number 66 of 199. Nice hit for Colorado. Okay, base. Rookie, Dougie Hamilton for Boston, Fire on Ice version. And another rookie, Daniel Bang, but the Prisma version for Predators. Rookie, Jason Akeson for Flyers. Michael Jordan for Hurricanes out of 399 rookie signature card. And we're down to our last pack of our 2-box break. Do a little cleanup here. Okay. Jacob Markstrom, Prism, parallel for Panthers. Okay, let's do a quick recap of our hits. Let's just put this one back here. That. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice Colorado rookie auto for Islanders, rookie for Caps, rookie for Wild, rookie auto jersey for Stars, rookie Hurricanes, rookie Sabres, rookie Panthers, rookie auto Panthers, rookie Calgary, gold version for Columbus out of 10, rookie auto badge out of 50 for Sharks, rookie for Flyers, signature card Mike Connolly for Colorado, rookie for Predators, rookie auto for Dallas, and rookie for Flyers. And on our second pile here, let's do this. We've got rookie auto for Hurricanes, rookie for Flyers, rookie for Predators, rookie for Boston, rookie Predators, Ovechkin parallel, and of course our rookie auto jersey of Nathan MacKinnon for Colorado out of 199. So that concludes our break number 1040 of 2-box of 1314 Panini Select. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight. We have a select that ends at we have a select that ends at 8 p.m. tonight, identical to this one. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.